Hi guys, my name's Arlene Gomez, and if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I am a keto enthusiast. I follow the keto lifestyle. I do a lot of videos about the keto lifestyle, and I'm also a beauty and a makeup vlogger. So go ahead and subscribe for a lot more. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup product review. I'm going to be reviewing a foundation that I've actually been using for a couple of months. I know it's very unlike me to review a product that I've used over a long time. I usually do an unboxing, but I felt that this foundation especially is a product that I would like to try on myself for some time and see how it fares over a period of time and how it affects my skin. So here goes. Today I will be reviewing this foundation. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and this is supposed to last for up to 24 hours, and it is a matte foundation. I'm using the shade Buff. As you can see, I have already used this. It is opened. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the packaging. The packaging it's quite compact. It opens up like that, and you just have to use the pump and get about as much of foundation. Now I found that this amount of foundation was enough for most of my face. Of course, I'm not using any primer. I don't have any primer on right now. All I have is just a little bit of concealer over below my eyes just to cover up those dark circles, but I'm not using any sort of primer for this video. So this amount of foundation is enough for daily wear for my full face. Yes, I am not joking. This is actually enough. Of course, when I'm going to do a full face of makeup and I'm going out for the night, I'm going to do heavy makeup with layers and layers, I do use a little more than this, probably double this quantity, but this is definitely enough. So if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I love to apply my foundation using my hands. I feel that I'm able to control it more and to blend it better and won't waste most of the product on either a blender or a brush. So here goes. So I've just done half of my face, just this cheek. I've left this bare without any foundation, and I've used a very small quantity of foundation. And you can see good coverage. I think it's really good coverage. Compared to some of the other foundations that I've used, which is supposed to be full coverage, I think this, from a 1 to 10, I would rate this about a 7, because even though it's full coverage, it covers all sorts of redness and dark spots. I feel that I've used foundations before that had more coverage and felt a little more lightweight than this one. And also, from past experience, I've used this in summer. I've used this in really cold places, and what I've noticed is I have extremely oily skin, and my face does not actually sweat in the heat, and in the cold it does not dry up. So in that way, this has got an amazing formula. This is very lightweight, perfect for the daytime, and also perfect to cover any of those blemishes. As you can see, it's not very heavy. I mean, you can still see a few marks. Of course, I've not used any primer, and I'm sure if you use a primer, it would work better. So I have applied the foundation through my face, and this is what it looks like. It gives you a nice glow. It gives you good coverage, decent coverage. I've used better, but then yes, this is lightweight, and as I said, you don't sweat very easily with this foundation. And from past experience, I have used makeup over this, and it holds your makeup really well and makes it long lasting. So my verdict, 7 out of 10. I would use this on a daily basis, yes, preferably during the day and not for very heavy makeup. And if you have a lot of blemishes and a lot of scars that you would like to cover, I found that when you use the foundation or blend it in an upward direction, it seems to cover a lot more. But if you want full heavy coverage, I select another brand, another foundation. So price wise, this foundation fares really well. It's not very cheap, neither is it very expensive like the popular brands. It's actually almost half the price of those popular brands. And this is somewhere in the middle. It is a product that is totally worth it. And since you use so little on a daily basis, it lasts for a long time. Make sure to get the right shade. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and share. Until next time, bye bye.